All right, welcome back. Epic Campus 6 parking facility. We're on the lid right now. Behind me, they're working on G0.4. They're just getting started on it, and it's set to be poured in early February.
All right, now we're here on G1. This is our 1.6 pour. As you can see, we have most of our beams in, most of our columns are in. Our last runs of PT are about to be installed. This pour is going to be done tomorrow. And then over here, behind me, we have our 1.4 pour strips, which will be the concrete going around the surrounding edge, and that will also be poured tomorrow.
Also this week, we have our first G1 topping slab. So we'll have a layer of insulation on this floor, and then on top of that, a layer of concrete, and it's about 6,000 square feet of concrete. So that'll go on Wednesday, and then some of the CMU walls can start getting put up for some of the mechanical rooms on this level. We just finished up our thermal control plan for the G0.3 lid that was poured. So we were able to take all the stripping out and then all the concrete blankets, because it finally got to the temperature that was accurate enough to take everything off.
All right, big milestone here. We have our slab on grade 30, our final slab on grade pour for the parking facility. So behind me, we have, first of all, right here, we have what we mentioned earlier with the pour backs. This outer edge is going to be filled back to the wall. That will be going on tomorrow. And then behind me here, we have our wall pour 1 for our pedestrian tunnel. This was poured on Friday, and we are waiting to remove the forms, and we'll be moving these forms onto our wall pour 2.
We're in the Northwest Drive Tunnel now. In the center of the drive tunnel, we have our curbs that are being formed, and then they're also along both sides of the exterior walls.
All right, here we have the final lid pour for the Northwest Drive Tunnel. As you can see, they're finishing up the rebar now. This is going to be poured on Wednesday, and then we will be done with our lid on the drive tunnel. As you can see here, you can see the steep elevation change in the drive tunnel, and you can see the curvature of the forms. And then we have some more insulation down here as this gets backfilled.